Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm in the middle of the night, so I won't say as loud, won't talk as loud as the most videos, but there's no problem because it's a short one. Today is the 17th day of the Father's Day, and today is just a short update, not even an update actually, this is misleading, just a short announcement. Maybe I will make a video on this. So if I would make a theme for this video, the theme would be you can find cool trash. You can find cool things in the trash. Sounds a weird gimmick because we are taught, oh, don't look around the trash, which I agree, don't look around the trash. But one thing I found on the street going back to home, found this sweet piece. This is an alarm motor, probably a servo, really expensive actually. I don't know if it's working or not. And even though I got this, I am so sad because there was two bigger motors which I couldn't get out because they were blocked by a hot rod steel. And I tried, spent 10 minutes on the machine. I think it's the oven for some reason has motors. I don't know, but okay. And boy, I didn't get it. But I did get this. So, although I'm quite sad I didn't get basically 200 reals worth of motors, just for the money, just like for the pieces itself, I still get this. Maybe the next time I go there, this piece will be there again. Maybe, and I will get that back, definitely. But anyway, I just want to say this because there's some really cool things you can find in the street. I do not recommend you to like go around the trash waters, but I found this really in the open street. So not exactly open street. It was like a sign here. I didn't make any mess. And actually, this is kind of advice. If you find really something really cool, and I mean really worth it. For example, this motor is really worth it getting it. Uh, it was not laying around like this. I had to uh, disconnect the cables by force. But anyway, maybe I'll do an update video if this motor works or not. But if you one day try to get something on the trash or something in the street, be sure to not make a mess, and if you do, clean it. I didn't make a mess. I tried in any way to get the motor, but I didn't. But besides that, I didn't change the environment. Don't go around looking for trash. This was a coincidence, a cool coincidence, but still. And if you find something really cool, just try to get what you think it's worth. I could get more. I could get the boards, but I think why would you get boards? I mean, I got a lot of PC. I got a lot of Arduinos I'm not working with, and I would just add one to the pile. One thing is not Arduino even to the pile. But this is a modern. It's really cool, and it's just really cool by being a modern. But it's actually, if I don't misremember, no, Sherry, this is a electric motor and a servo motor, and so I can see actually. Let's hope my camera can focus. I can see the gears. And so, if this motor turns out to not work, or turns out I just want to do it anyway, I will get gears assigned here and know how to do it. So maybe this will be the update video, and if it is working or not. Well, but again, I think you can find really cool things on ladder, especially electric, a dumpsters. It's not dumpsters, like yeah, it's not dumpster. I don't remember the word in English, but you know the big places where, for example, there's cars and unsold thing. It's not a dumpster. Neither it's like a landfill, but electronic landfill. Yes, yes. You can find some really cool stuffs there. Like if you found these in the street, probably can get some motors at least. And maybe not working motors, but again, you can get gears, which are definitely working. But that's just a short video about it. Hope you like it, and if you did, like, subscribe, and of course, put in the comments one day you find something really cool in the street and what it was. I have another example. I found an working Apple monitor. not in the street, but in the trash. And it was not like in the middle of the trash. Of course, this would be too disgusting. It was like the side, and it's working. Big Mac. Sorry, Big Mac. It's not exactly working because my computer is on a Mac, but still, yeah, I think it can be fun to mess around. Maybe I'll do a video then, but I think this will be repetitive. Well, anyway, hope you like it and see you tomorrow. Bye.